Hello, today I will guide you on how to check your CPU temperature in Windows 11. Step 1. Download, install, and launch Core Temp. To check CPU temperature, first download a free tool called Core Temp from its official website. Click Download, then open the setup file once it finishes downloading. During installation, click Next, accept the agreement, and click Next again. You can install it in the default folder. Make sure to uncheck any offers like games or language packs unless needed. Ensure Create a Desktop Shortcut is checked, then click Next and Install. Once installed, open Core Temp. You'll see the temperature and load of each core. Step 2. Understand normal CPU temperature. Normal idle CPU temperature ranges from 15 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius depending on your processor and surroundings. During gaming or video editing, temps can rise to 70, 85 degrees Celsius, which is still acceptable for many CPUs. If your laptop feels too hot, is slowing down, or crashes, it might be overheating. Checking CPU temperature regularly helps maintain system performance. If temperatures are high, try cleaning dust, using a cooling pad, or improving ventilation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.